I'm Dr. Joel Eric, and welcome to the new StarAutismSupport.com. For the last 40 years, I've been conducting research in the field of autism spectrum disorders and working with teachers and students towards improving their outcomes. Star Autism Support was founded in 2004 with the goal of moving evidence-based strategies into the real world and supporting staff working with students in a variety of environments and across all ages. I'm proud of our comprehensive, practical approach that has assisted thousands of teachers around the world. Our unique blend of curriculum, teacher tools, and professional development is likely the reason our many clients have built successful, sustainable programs.